welcome on my channel. Is 5 minutes about Scrum Life challenges and frameworks. Today we are going to talk about the Crystal family of methodologies. It's a less prescriptive, more human-centric approach to agile software development, focusing on people and their interactions rather than processes and tools. Developed by Alistair Cockburn, one of the original signatories of the Agile Manifesto, Crystal emphasizes the unique needs of individual teams, recognizing that each team has its own characteristics that can affect the outcome of a project. As an Agile coach, I want to explore with you some factors of the Crystal frameworks, its underlying principles, and how it can be tailored to fit the specific requirements of different teams. So, core principles of Crystal. Crystal is grounded in two primary beliefs: that projects are unique and that the most efficient and effective method of conveying information is through face-to-face conversation. And also, we right now will be talking about some key principles that guide the Crystal methodologies. Because first one is frequent delivery. Crystal encourages teams to deliver work in software frequently, with a preference for shorter timescales between deliveries. Reflective improvement. Teams are encouraged to regularly reflect on their performance and adjust their practices based on what they learn. One is osmotic communication. For co-located teams, Crystal advocates for osmotic communication, where information flows freely and easily among team members, often facilitated by working in the same physical space. Personal safety, which is more important also, because we need to create an environment where team members feel safe to express their ideas and concerns without fear. Retribution is very important for fostering open communication and innovation. We are focusing on people, recognizing that each team member contributes a unique set of skills and perspectives. Crystal places a strong emphasis on the people involved in the project rather than rigidly adhering to process or tools. Also, we have technical environment with automated tests, configuration management, and frequent integration. Because we encourage practices that support a sustainable pace and high quality output. Crystal family, the Crystal family is composed of methodologies named after colors, which indicate the size of the team and the criticality of the system being developed. For example, Crystal Clear, intended for small teams of up to 8 members working on non-critical projects. Crystal Yellow and Crystal Orange, designed for medium-sized teams, 10 up to 20 and 20-50 members respectively, working on projects of increasing complexity and criticality. Crystal Red is for large team of 50 and 100 members working on critical projects. Each color within the Crystal family can be tailored based on team size, project criticality, and priorities, making Crystal one of the most adaptable agile methodologies. How to implement Crystal? Because a Crystal framework is in an organization involves understanding of the unique dynamics of each team and project. And also want to share with you some steps how to guide the adoption, because we need to assess team size and project criticality, yes, as we heard this term previously, because we need to choose the most appropriate Crystal methodology based on the size of your team and the criticality of your project. After that, we need to emphasize communication. We need to foster an environment that promotes open, honest communication and osmotic information flow, especially for co-located teams. For distributed teams, leverage technology to facilitate this kind of seamless communication, focusing on individuals. We need to understand and leverage the unique skills, experiences, and perspectives for each team member. This might involve tailoring roles or adjusting processes to better fit the team's composition and project needs. We are setting up reflective workshop. We have regularly scheduling reflective workshop and retrospective where the team can reflect on what's working well and what's need adjustments. The sessions are critical for continuous improvement and should focus not only on process and outcomes but also on team dynamics and individual well-being. We are implementing technical best practices because while Crystal is less prescriptive about specific practices, adopting a technical environment that supports automated testing, continuous integration, and effective configuration management it's like recommended to maintain a high pace of development without sacrificing quality. We are fostering a safe environment, as I mentioned, and Crystal, to be honest, is inherently flexible. It's designed to be molded around the people and projects it serves.